This is a 64 Dodge D100 with more money spent under the hood than maybe the cost of 10 of these trucks. This has got a Barton 528 Hemi, a T-56 Magnum, and you see she's got some Zoomies out the side. This truck's been all over the speed network. Stacey David did some work on it. It's been to SEMA with Cherry Bomb, and it boils the tires. Take a closer look at the mechanical makeup of this bad boy, and also get you history on this great old patina bruiser hot rod. Kicking off at the front end of things, she's original. She's beat up, she's got character. I'll call it authentic wear and tear. Oh, there's a little bit of checking going on in the paint. Yeah, there's a little surface rust, but she's solid as can be and has a really, really cool heartbeat. We got a custom cut front emblem. Just letting you know how many cubic inches we have. Latch under here. Woo! This motor takes up most of this engine compartment. 528 cubic inch built up Hemi from Barton. It's got a Mopar wedge intake manifold on it, putting 2 4-barrels on top of this thing. I love the period correct scoops on here. This thing's like a 60s gasser. It has a really cool look going. Nice aluminum radiator. They've upgraded the engine mounts to take this thing. We've got disc brakes all the way around it. I believe those are Wilwood. This is not what you would expect to see under a rusty old truck like this. And the beautiful thing, it's backed by a brand new T-56 Magnum trans. Gorgeous wheel and tire. Love the wide white walls. You see our Wilwood brakes. Got the nice pie crust slicks on here. So he's got a lot of attitude. Tailgate's still in really good shape. And this is a functional truck. Take a peek at this bed floor here. Looks like it has some age, but don't you worry. If you look up underneath, see this is all fresh wood. So she's functional, makes a whole lot of noise. I can't get over these freaking Zoomies. Cherry Bomb hooked this thing up. Love the exhaust. It sounds incredible. Goes from the long tube headers into Cherry Bomb glass pack, 4-inch in diameter. Muffles it down just a little bit, but this is pretty much like a straight pipe setup on here. This is really cool. They painted their logo on here and aged it to look like it was born that way. It's still got the Penn Star on the fender. The Dodge badging's actually in impressive shape. Hemi Power Mopar Speed Shop. Really fun. Man. Cool style door handle, something like a refrigerator. Really impressive jams. The rockers and cab corners are original on this truck and they are rust free. Interior is actually really tastefully done. Got a recovered bench, matches this nice 3-spoke wheel with the speed holes. Got a nice set of custom instruments. Stuart Warner tack up here. We got fuel gauge, amp meter, speedo up to 100, coolant temp, oil pressure, and a little bit redundant down here. We got those from Stuart Warner as well. Oil temp, oil pressure, and vacuum. Couple of toggles to prime our ignition and fuel system. Nice tall Hirsch shifter with the 8-ball on top coming out of our T-56 trans. This is the same transmission they put in the Dodge Viper. It's got a shatterproof steel bell housing on it. Up in front of us here, have a fuel pressure gauge as well. Ashtray up here, I suspect. Yep. In our glove compartment, clean and simple. Little Cherry Bomb sticker. Drive this baby with a little bit of intent. The 6-speed is really nice, but it is still a nice tall gear out back. It's a 456, so as soon as you get going, it wants to go. And with all that Hemi horsepower and torque, it'll eat these tires up. This truck will put hair on your chest. This thing's nuts. And some madman before us took this thing on several power tours. Crazy. And that's 6th gear there, going fast at 1500 RPMs. Wilwood disc brakes, great touch. This thing's a handful, it's a ton of fun, and it's fast as can be. If you want to know more about it, ring us up. It's 248-714-2110. Hit us with an email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Really unique. This is probably one of the coolest things we've had in a long time. If you think you or someone you know would look good in it, call us up. All that information will be down below, as well as a link to view the full listing on our website. That's where we'll be putting pictures all the way around it, tell the full story, and we'll even link up some of the other places this has been featured. Like I mentioned earlier, been on a bunch of TV shows, it's had a lot of cool work done, and I'm really excited about it.